Hello everyone, my name is Faraj Prajapati. Today I'm going to solve the LeetCode number 521, longest uncommon subsequence. One. It is an easy level question. So what you have given the question, we have to check longest uncommon subsequence. Means if like example A B A and string is B C D C. So both A and B does not contain same letters. Like A B is different and here C D C is different. So we have to return which is the longest and which is uncommon. Okay. Like here A and B with same length and return and you have to return if A and B are equal, so you have to return -1. So directly jump on code. So that we have to find edge cases. So if directly we can say if A equals to B, then return we have to -1. And in next stage we have to return maximum length. So we can use int A like a int A not it is declared. So int L1 which is equal to length of string. So we can use a dot length and int L2 b dot length. I have to have compare which length is greater. So if L1 is greater than L2, then we have to return L1 or otherwise we have to return L2. Check the code for test cases. All test cases pass when we go to submit. Passing all test cases with 0 millisecond. So this is my solution for this LeetCode number. Okay. We can use max property, max inbuilt function, but